Good morning. Once again, we'll continue with the topic leadership traits, leadership qualities. The first quality of leadership is bearing. Bearing means the appearance and manner must depict the competence and confidence of a person, of a leader. He should speak plainly and clearly. He should always be in the best condition. Clothing, dressing, and shaving, whatever the things appearances of a person, it should be it should be in the best condition. The second quality or second is courage. The person, he should be among all among the group, he should be most courageous, can say. And the third point is decisiveness, the ability of making decisions. He should make timely decisions, and the decision is not only timely decisions, but they should be sound decisions. Decisions means ability to make decisions, so he should make timely decisions and sound decisions. Among all, he should be dependability. He should not make himself as autocratic, just as we earlier discussed in styles. He should not be dependently, he should work himself. He should be at the forefront. He should be at the forefront. He should not tell his subordinate to just do your work. He should just start with himself. Then the fifth quality is endurance, uh, which includes both mental and physical stamina. Alertness, he should be mentally and physically alert. He should be very quick, he should be very active, he should be very alert. Seventh quality is enthusiasm. Eighth quality is initiative. He should take initiative whenever a task is being given to them or to him, to his team. He should himself take initiative for accomplishing that work. Integrity, he should have that quality of integration. He should not make differences between the group. He should not make himself just he is something special, rest are they he should not take them. He should take the call collectively. He should have that integrity, spirit of integrity. Judgment, he should have proper judgment. Whatever he gives the decision, it should be right decision. Judgment, it includes both, whether it is punishment, he is going to give punishment. So somebody has done a mistake, he is going to give him the punishment. It should be accurate, appropriate, and if he is going to reward somebody, it should be as per his work, and all should be equal. That's why we are saying the next quality, the 11th quality, is justice. He should be impartial. Whether he is going to reward or punish, it should be completely impartial behavior should be there. And he should reward or punish at proper time. Whenever a person needs a reward, he should reward him, and whenever a person requires a punishment, he should give him punishment. He should not wait for these things. Loyalty, 12th point, loyalty. He should be loyal. Firstly, he should be loyal to his country. He should be loyal to his seniors and subordinates and colleagues. Uh, that's why we're saying faithfulness to his country, seniors, subordinates, and colleagues. Ability of dealing others, the quality, ability of dealing others. Unselfishness, he should not have that selfish behavior. He should not be having selfish behavior. Uh, and sense of humor. So in addition to these 14 15 qualities, there are lot many qualities, other qualities also, which a person should have. We can say that among a group, as per that group, we can decide a person, we can decide, we can nominate a leader. But uh, while nominating a leader, while selecting a leader, these qualities we should be he should must have these qualities. And he should be educated. Another quality is he should be educated more than others. He should be knowledgeable more than others as per the given tasks must be, they might be differing from one task to another task, but as per the given task, we should select the leader. So these are all leadership traits, or we can say characteristics. Whenever you are getting a chance to select a leader, you should take in mind, you should keep in mind these many qualities. uh, the person who is having the most number of qualities, or he who is having best qualities among him, we should select that one only. Thank you.